Guys, you're welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to find your MemeFi deposit address on your Bitget Exchange. So let's get started. Now I'm going to find my MemeFi. Right, I'm going to open my MemeFi coin. So for you to find MemeFi, you're going to be able to you'll be able to find your MemeFi deposit address on Bitget. So I'm going to show you now. Okay, now so this is it. So how do you do it? What you need to do is you go to your Bitget Exchange. Okay, let me go find my Bitget Exchange. Once you open your Bitget, so let's wait for it to open. And for those of you that you haven't opened an account on your Bitget before, what you need to do is you can just search one of our video and search how to register on Bitget. You're going to find it there. So now this is what you're going to do. Now the next thing you need to do is you're going to see click on your asset here. Now you click on add fund, and here what you need to do is click on deposit crypto. And the next thing you need to do is come to the search button here. You can search for MemeFi here. MemeFi, sorry guys, and this is it. Once you click on MemeFi net here, it's going to show you the network to choose the network. But the reason why I wasn't able to choose the network is that I have not verified this account, so it requires some international some ID card, and it is not available for me now. Now what you need to do is once you verify your MemeFi, your Bitget exchange, just choose the network of the MemeFi. Once you choose the network, then you're going to bring it out already. You're going to bring it out, just copy it there. For those of you that are from your MemeFi, but now I didn't have any means of verifying my Bitget wallet. Now that's why I wasn't able to do it. Just follow the process, and you're going to get it. Once you open it, search for MemeFi, and it's going to bring out what you're going to copy. It's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and drop a comment on any other crypto you want me to touch for you. I'm going to drop it. So guys, thank you so much, and subscribe, don't forget. Bye bye.